Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are making 3 snacks that are easy to make. Even kids can make them and they're gonna be so delicious.
So these are how they're gonna look like.
Let's get started. First, we're gonna need toothpicks and some berries and grapes. So we're gonna put the grapes on top of the toothpick and we can just eat them very easily.
You could do this with other fruits too.
Yeah, like strawberries. And they're gonna taste so delicious.
Yeah.
They're also very healthy. Now let's do the next snack. We're gonna need a banana and we're gonna cut it all into some slices that are very small.
Yeah. And then we're gonna cover them in some hot chocolate powder. You can use any
type of hot chocolate powder. We're gonna cover it in hot chocolate powder to make it look very, very nice. And they're also gonna taste delicious. Let's do it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put it on top of a toothpick to make it look very nice. And then you can just take them and eat it in one bite. This also makes it taste more yummy.
All of these snacks are really,
really nice.
Yeah.
Now let's do the next snack. They look so yummy. Let's do the next one. For this one, we're gonna need some dates and we're gonna open them, put a nut inside, and then we're gonna seal them and squeeze it. Then we're gonna dip it in cream. More cream, the more coconut flakes, and then we're gonna put it in coconut flakes. Let's do some more. They look so yummy and nice to eat. Dates are my favorite thing.
Me too.
All these snacks are so nice. This is how they turned out in the end.
But there's one more dessert.
Let's see the dessert. So we're gonna need this cookie and we're gonna crush it all up into crumbs.
Yeah, this cookie, it does not have any sugar in it.
But you can choose which one you want. We're gonna make sure there's no blobs in it. Okay, now we're gonna put some in the bottom of each, and now some ice cream. Now we are gonna put some fruits on top of it.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer
to let it freeze for a bit. We're putting some mangoes, some berries, and some dragon fruit. You can put whichever fruit you want. Maybe we need some green grapes. Yeah, that tastes really good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.